Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim videos in Canva PC. So to do so, you're going to go to elements, and I'm just going to type in fruits because I don't know what else to type. And as you can see, this video is 23 seconds long, so I just want to trim it to like 10 seconds long or something. Select the trim button here, and you're going to select this part right here or this part to trim it to the seconds you want, or you can even type it here, 10 seconds for instance, and it's going to crop that out. You can also auto trim it and do highlights, but that is a pro feature, but trimming videos is not. And once you're done trimming it, just press done, and it's going to only be 10 seconds. That is it. It is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!